ACC Limited, a name you see on cement bag. The company has been building India for the decade. But is it still growing? Today we will decode ACC's business, numbers and the future in the simple language. Watch till the end. This stock might surprise you. ACC Limited started in 1936. Now it is a part of Adani Group. The company makes and sells cement and ready-mix concrete. It has a factories in many parts of India and most of its products are sold within the countries. ACC Limited has a two business vertical. First one is cement and second one is ready-mix concrete. ACC's main business is the cement. The company sells two types of cement. First category is gold category, which include high quality premium products including ACC Water Gold Shield products and ACC F2R Superfast. The second category is silver category, which is more budget friendly products including ACC Suraksha Power, ACC Suraksha Power Plus and ACC HPC Long Life. From the year 2019 to 24, the cement business grew 31%. This growth happened because the company sold 28% more cement and got a slightly better prices. Second one is ready-mix concrete. The company makes and sells ready-mix concrete. The company is having more than 86 RMC plants across India and the company offers special products under the brand name ACC Ecomax and ACC Aeromax. These include dry mix products for both soaps and big clients as well as chemical use in construction. In 2024, value-added products made up 34% of total RMC sale. ACC Limited has 20 manufacturing facilities. Out of these, 11 are full-scale plant, which is called as integrated units, and 9 are grinding units. Apart from that, the company has more than 86 RMC plant. In 2024, ACC had a capacity to make 38.55 million tons of cement per year and use 75% of this capacity. Back in 2019, the capacity was 33 million tons. ACC has a special agreement which is called as Master Supply Agreement with Ambuja Cement, which is a part of same promoter group. In 2024, the company sold 6.6 million tons of clinkers and cement to Ambuja through this agreement. This helped the company grow its profit and sales. Now we are going to discuss about news related to ACC Limited. ACC is facing two pending CCI penalty case totaling over 1,180 crore for the alleged subtilization and anti-competitive practices. Both matters are under appeal with no financial provision made yet. In September 2022, Adani Group took control of Ambuja Cement by buying 63.11% of it. Ambuja already owns 50% of ACC. Apart from that, Adani Group also bought additional 4.48% directly in ACC Limited. The deal with Holcim Limited cost of 50,181 crore. Now we are going to discuss about strategic milestone and the capacity expansion. Ambuja Cement, which is now part of Adani Group, has reached 100 million tons of cement capacity, the fastest ever in India. This makes it the 9th largest cement company in the world. The company plans to reach 118 metric tons per year by 2026 and 140 metric tons per year by 2028. They have also bought companies like Sanghi, Pena, My Home, Asian Cement and Orient Cement. These new companies are being smoothly added to their business, helping improve operations and cost. Now we are going to discuss about financials. The company's market cap stands at around 34,000 crore. Currently, the stock is trading at the P of close to 15, while the industry average P is significantly higher at 50. Over the last 5 years, its median P has remained around 23. Most of its peers are commanding valuation close to 50 P, except for the ACC Limited and Ambuja Cement, which are trading at the relatively lower multiples. In terms of profitability, the company has posted solid ROC of 17.4% and an ROE of 13.2%. The balance sheet remains strong with a minimal debt to equity ratio of just 0.02. The price to book value stands at 1.86, indicating fair valuation compared to its fundamentals. Looking at the profit and loss statement for the financial year ending March 2025, the company achieved sales of 21,762 crore, which is its second highest ever. The net profit stood at 2,402 crore, the highest in its history. While the CAGR for sales and profit remains positive over the years, the stock price CAGR has been negative, showing a disconnect between financial performance and market sentiment. There is a 2061 crore worth of capital work in progress currently underway, which is expected to support further growth in the sales in the future. On the shareholding front, promoters hold 56.69% of the company, FII hold 4.83, DII hold 24.92 and the remaining 13.41% held by public. Now we are going to discuss about technical. The stock price of ACC Limited is currently down nearly 35% from its lifetime high. Interestingly, the current market price is almost same as it was back in 2015 February. Over this long period, the company's financial performance has improved significantly and the stock has remained range bound. Technically, the price has been consolidating within a broad range of 1800 to 2800. Despite several ups and downs over the years, it has not managed to sustain beyond this zone. This observation highlights a prolonged period of sideways movement, even as the fundamentals have strengthened. This is a purely technical chart study and not a buy sell recommendation. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. We'll be back in next video. Till time, happy investing.